पशुपति तनया बाल गजानन,
पशुपति तनया बाल गजानन,
पशुपति तनया बाल गजानन,
पशुपति तनया बाल गजानन,
तुम हो विघ्न विनाशा गणेशा,
तुम हो विघ्न विनाशा गणेशा,
तुम हो विघ्न विनाशा.
As we complete 24 years and start the 25th year, we plan 18 months long socio-cultural activities and projects. Most important of them all is free hospital in Kasaragod. We hope to present it to the world in the silver jubilee year of the trust. A project of 150 crore, a hospital without cash counter, will be the third of its kind in the world. If the state government gives the land, we wish to start hospitals without cash counter in Trivandrum and Ernakulam as well, for providing absolutely free service to the society. As we enter the 25th year of humanitarian services, we thank God and every person who was there supporting us in our journey. This organization has reached masses and attained the current status only because of the purity of the intention, transparency, and functioning.
In the spheres of quality education, health care, poverty eradication, environmental protection, and employment generation, all aimed at the total well-being of our country. Significantly enough, such comprehensive vision epitomizes the core and soul of India's timeless prayer, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavanti. Let happiness prevail all over the world for everybody. And Sai Gram has been spreading happiness and sense of security among people through various projects like Sayujyam, Santavanam, free dialysis to the needy patients, Punarjani for rehabilitation of people treated for mental illness. The activities of the Trust have benefited people in many places across the state, touching various districts. I am glad that Sai Gramam, where this program has been organized, was conceived as an ideal village where the inmates are groomed in a harmonious atmosphere beyond the barriers of distinctions of caste, creed, rank or gender.
The Trust also, I am told, is running several education institutions and message to the world that there is no cash counter in any of these institutions. All education is free. I compliment the people, not only the Trust members who are all supporting this activity, and the teachers and the students of these institutions. As I was telling, share and care is the core of Indian philosophy. Education is for enlightenment. Education is for enhancement of knowledge. Education is for empowerment of the people. So education is the key for development. I am happy the Trust is focusing its attention on this. Since time immemorial, we have seen numerous examples of great men and women who sacrificed their lives for the welfare of others. The Puranic sage Dadichi donated his body. Sibi saved pigeon's life by offering his own. And the great king of this land, Mahabali, donated his whole kingdom. These are the examples before us. Welfare of all is ingrained in the Indian value system. Shastras say, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu, may all be happy.